What going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Bankable, back with another one. But I'm gonna do something a little different this time. Instead of sitting here in front of the charts, you guys watching candles go up and down, I'm gonna go over the trades for last week. Sorry for the delay, but had some other stuff to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and share last week's trades, starting with Nas. Okay, please be patient with me. I am in the process of getting a microphone, camera, and some lighting. But until that time, just be patient with your boy. So let me go ahead and find the trades from last week, and let's get this rolling. Okay, but before we do that, please roll the intro. All right. We're back. So here's the first trade. This is the 7th, which was Tuesday. Missed trading on Monday. And I'm on the 5-minute. I usually take my trades after top-down analysis, starting with the daily. I usually enter on the 5-minute or the 1-minute. A lot of times the 1-minute. But here, took an entry right about here, expecting it to go ahead and push through. And this was a really big stop loss, so I wasn't really happy with it. But anyway, price got up here, and when I saw this rejection, I just went ahead and got out because I really wasn't comfortable with the entry down here. But anyway, on my challenge account, that was a quick 26 bucks. So that was that. Then the next day, I took a trade on Wednesday on UJ. Again, UJ is a pair I'm learning. It's not my favorite pair. Nas is my favorite pair or instrument. But anyway, again, taking a trade here on, that was, Wednesday. Took an entry here, and I think I took this on the 1-minute. And at the time, this was not here. Let's get rid of that. That was not here. So I saw price rejecting. Got in about here on the 1-minute. I don't want to keep switching back between time frames and I have to find my spot and all that. But in any event, got in here, expecting price to go ahead and push up. And it came back on me. No. I'm sorry. I was looking to sell at this point. So I got in here expecting, I didn't have this here. Sorry. Let's do this. Bloopers. So I didn't have this support here, which is probably goofy now that I'm looking at it. But I was seeing this bearish divergence here. Granted, it's on a 5-minute. But anyway, so I got in here after it broke, expecting price to go ahead and push down. That's not what happened. Price decided to go ahead and push on up and took me out. At that point, again, on the 1-minute, I saw an entry, got in here for an entry, and tried to sell it down. I think I got stopped out. I don't have it highlighted, but I got stopped out according to my history. And that was, no, I'm not even correct. I tried to buy it up, revenge trading, and I got stopped out. And that was, let me go ahead and go down to the 1-minute.
A few moments later.
There we go. 8th right here. So yeah, I got stopped out. Took the sell, got stopped out. Tried to take a buy, revenge trading, got stopped out. Where did I get stopped out at? Got stopped out, I think, in here. Tried to take the buy here, got stopped out. So I stepped away for a few minutes and gathered myself. And here I took a sell and sold it all the way down here. And that was Wednesday. And then I looked. Let me see. I got out of there. Like I said, here took profit. Man, looked at how much it went down. I could have had a little more. And look, it went where I initially thought it was going to go when I took the first trade down to this area. And what did it do? It came on down. I was just a little early, so it happens. But I didn't hold it because of these losses earlier, which I should have, but I didn't. So here, I took another trade after I saw the rejection here. Just a little consolidation. I took another entry. Doesn't look like much, but it wasn't engulfing. Took an entry here. Sold that on down. Wrote it on down. This was my TP. Ended up getting out when I saw this bullish push there. And that's all I took. Took a couple partials on the way down. And then let's see, Nas. Actually, I had a trade on Nas on Wednesday as well. Let's see. Did I? Where is it? Yeah, here. Man, looks tiny. Tiny quick move. I'm a scalper, so I'll get in, I get out. End of my business. So here I got in again on the 1 minute. I'm not going to go down to that time frame just so I don't have to keep scrolling around. But anyway, got in here, ran into some issues. Should have stayed with it because as you see, price went ahead and went on up. But I took a small little win here. Nothing to write home about. And that was on what? Wednesday. Let's see. I think I took another trade on Wednesday. Nope. Let's see. Nope, my next trade was on UJ on the 9th. I believe I didn't mark it. Here we go. No, doggone it. I forgot this one. This one also was on Wednesday. So this was a trade I took. Huge stop. Well, it looks huge, but it was only 10 pips. And I took that one, rolled that on down to support, and took partials along the way without doing the math. Or quickly doing the math. 60, 80. It was like about $100 on my challenge. And then I took another trade here. A lot of trades during the day. I try not to do more than 2, but trying to pass the challenge, and I'm actually behind and I'm running out of time. So took another trade here after I saw the rejection. Took an entry here, went into immediate drawdown, but I had a pretty good stop loss. Got out when I was hoping it was going to break through, come on down to this area here, but it didn't. We ran into, and I got out right about here. Probably right around here according to my numbers here, which I have to go back to. Okay, that was Wednesday. And then Thursday, I don't think I took a trade Thursday. I did not. No, yes I did. And that would have been on Nas. So let's go back to Nas. This is the Thursday trade. Okay, so had some consolidation that morning. Consolidation. And if I'm not mistaken, oh, bear with me. Okay, nope, that's later. Okay, so we had a little consolidation going on. And I've said to myself, if this breaks this support, because it was playing back and forth in this little range here, I'm in. Got in. There's a big stop loss, 58 pips or so. But, probably not too big for Nas. Excuse me. But anyway, again, on the 1 minute, got in that closure or break of this support. Got an immediate profit. Came back, retested, and I think I took another position. No, I didn't. I just let it ride. And I got out here. Man, I should have got out here. But then I saw later price pulled back. Yeah, I know. As a matter of fact, I did. I got out right here on this candle. So this should be about right. Nope, I'm lying. Right there. Yep, right about there. Anyway, I got out here and I didn't want to give back much money. Wasn't sure if price was just going to bounce off of here and continue on up because it is bullish overall. And man, and I usually try not to sell Nas because of that reason, but man, it's been dropping, especially for me as a scalper. But anyway, pulled up. I got out again here, left, came back, saw price break, would have blew past my TP, retested, and then just kept on dropping. And I was heated. But what do you do? What do you do? Anyway, so won that one. And now, mind you, I didn't say earlier, but I took a couple positions on Wednesday that were losing trades, and those all hit stop loss. And we're talking $148, $109, $100 losses. So that's that $350. And then my wins are never as big as my losses because I either take partials, because I take partials is what it comes down to, and I really have to get better at letting it go to my TP without taking partials, because again, my losses are outweighing my wins, which is obviously not in my best interest. So here's another trade we took, or I took on Friday. How did I get to Friday already? Did I take it? Nope, no trades on Thursday. Nope, that's not true. I did take a trade, USD JPY. Talk on it. I didn't mark them up, but I took a couple small positions on USD JPY. Let's see, 89, 80, about 120 bucks. So again, the losses that I had earlier, that win didn't make up for even one of the losses I took revenge trading. All right, so that revenge trading will kill you. At that point, I said, you know what, I'm done with USD JPY, UJ. I am going to go back to wifey, which was nice. So here, I ended out the week pretty strong. Let's see. Took some pretty large size positions here. Price was bouncing around in this zone. Well, it wasn't a zone at the time, but I took a position here, got out at the top here, saw those wicks. So that was a win, but it came back and took me out. Took out the runner. Then the price came back into this area here, took another position. As you can see, it almost took me out, but I held on to it and just rode it down and got out right about here after this great big engulfing. After that, I was done. So that trade was 40, 80, 80, 40, 40, 80, 90, another 100 and some odd bucks. So all in all, I finished the week minus $7.52 from all the wins and losses. I'll post a screenshot. But I am trying to get through this challenge, and it's a challenge. Maybe that's why they call it that. But I noticed I do much better with my live account than I do with the challenge account. With the live account, I can risk more. I can have a bigger, not a bigger stop loss, but I can risk more, and I'm more comfortable going into drawdown because I won't lose the account. Versus the challenge, you know, you can only risk 0.5%, 1%, maybe 2%, and that's pushing it for me to risk 2% on a challenge account, because you know you only get 10% of draw, or 10% loss. After that, you're done. 10% on my live account, you know, on a $500 account was at 50 bucks, 5,500 bucks. So the challenge has really been challenging for me for that reason. So I'm really considering just forgetting this challenge and just putting some money into the market, my own money, and trading that because I'm not doing so well with the challenge. But I will keep you guys posted. If I didn't say it while I was going through this, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will keep you posted. I'm out. Mr. Bankable. Jeez. Got out. Here are matches for got out. God dang it. Okay. Bloopers. I'll leave that for the blooper reel.